Hello YouTube, welcome to another amazing Photoshop tutorial. My name is Geetee, and in this video I am going to be showing you how to remove wrinkles from any kind of pictures, because sometimes you have these pictures that you want to remove wrinkles and you just come here and you just use your spot healing brush and just do it like this. Sometimes when you do it like that, it doesn't work. You come to your patch tool and you use your patch to select and look for somewhere to patch it with. So a lot of times when we do this thing, it doesn't come out the way we want. So we always think of a better way. So in this video, I am going to show you a better way of doing it. So this is our original image, and this thing is not supposed to take you long to fix. So I'm not going to be wasting your time. So like I said, you duplicate your image. When you duplicate the image, the next thing you want to do is go to your spot healing brush, which is this one, but you're not using this one today. You're using this healing brush. With the healing brush, you just have to change some settings and you're good to go. When you check your healing brush, you look for all the settings. Just come here where it's written normal.
The 29th of February wedding.
Sorry. The place where it's written normal, just change it to lightened. Then when you change it to lightened, the next thing you want to do is to reduce the size of your brush. You can make it big, you can make it small. Then just select a particular area. So I'll select this area. Let me say I select around here. Then I'll just paint. Select again. Then I'll just paint. Now, let me fix this part. Now, if I am not using this particular method, if I'm using the normal method, which is the normal blend mode, this is what you get. This is what you get. So with the lightened, you can get this kind of look. So let's go back and then change this to lighten again and try to fix this edge. So as you can see, it's working better when you put that on lightened. So you can use this over and over to fix the whole image. So you don't have to now go through that other method. And sometimes that other method is stressful because you have to do it gradually. For this method, even if you are painting with a big brush, it will still give you something nice. So I advise you use this method. But if you have another method that works better than this, please make sure you drop it on the comment section or drop a link to a video that you saw that works better, and I would do another video on that. Maybe the person didn't explain it well. I'll watch the video, then I'll do a better video on that also. Once again, my name remains Geetee. If you have not subscribed, do well to subscribe, and see you in my next video. Peace.